currently standing right behind us here. This is our 2022 challenge vehicle. This car is just incredible. I got to give all the credit to Manny Viana here. Manny is the brains behind that one and this one. A lot of the hands behind that one. But this year, Wes is the hands behind this. Wes has pretty much built this car himself. I will say, Manny built this fantastic engine, which is his forte. They'll tell you a little bit more about what they've done. We leave for Car Week in Monterey. The car has to be in what's called Works Reunion, which is a Porsche event up in Monterey. The car has to be there on the 18th of August, where it will be judged on the 19th.
Yeah, on the 19th. It's Friday.
That's for the western area side of the challenge. If we win that round, we will then get to go to Indianapolis. Probably
90% of the mods and the improvements that we've done to this car, the judges are not even going to see. We've done a lot to the handling, to the suspension, to just these little things that we've done. And this is purely so that we can show people, hey, we can do this to your car. Right down to modifying the interior, the suspension, the brakes, the engine. Engine is now done. So when we got this project, we thought, okay, what can we do, but still keep it within the Porsche purity kind of, just what can we do? Because we need to make this better than any RS America out there. So RS is supposed to mean something. Does anybody know what RS stands for? Rennsport, motorsport. Yeah, it's all Porsche parts. There's a few little things that we couldn't get, that we had to outsource, like the carpets, for instance. We had to outsource those, but we went to a German company that used the original factory material to the factory pattern, so you would not be able to tell. It's really exciting for us.
It's been pretty impressive how many parts are available for this car when we go to order. I mean, they may not be here in Southern California, they might be in the country, but they're available. So they're putting a lot of effort into bringing all these old parts back. Tens of thousands of part numbers of the classic parts are being reissued.
These cars are built to drive, and we're going to drive it. And I think that's what we want to tell the judges. It's not just about how it looks. It performs the way it should. It's what we do, and we do this because we love what we do. We just can't help ourselves. I mean,